Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. Domestic equity indices are expected to open sharply higher because of the optimism which is driven by a global market rally following positive developments in the US trade policy and a sharp drop in the US dollar index, which has fallen to a 3-year low below the 100 mark. To start with our first segment for Tuesday, 15th April 2025, Nifty index opened with a gap up of nearly 300 points at 22,695, driven by positive global cues. During the first hour of the session, the index moved higher in a slow and steady manner, hitting an intraday high of 22,923. However, in the second half, it witnessed volatile swings on both the sides, but managed to hold its bullish momentum and closed with gains of over 400 points. On the technical front, Nifty gave a breakout from the inside bar pattern on the daily chart and formed a large bullish candle on the weekly chart, indicating a shift in momentum and the possibility of further upside if follow-up buying sustains. India VIX was down by around 6% to 20 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 0.96. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 22,200 to 23,300, while immediate range is in between 22,500 to 23,100 marks. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 2,519 crores, while DIIs for buyers were 3,759 crores. FII's index long-short ratio slightly increased to 25%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 22,500 for a bounce towards 23,000 and 23,200, while supports are shifting higher to 22,500 and 22,300 levels. Bank Nifty has to hold above 50,750 for a bounce towards 51,750, while support can be seen at 50,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in PI Industries, FIF, Dixon, HDFC AMC, MCX, Grasim, Indigo, Power Grid, Marico, Bajaj Finserv, and HDFC Bank. While some weakness could be seen in ICICI Pru, Voltas, Persistent, and Tata Elxsi. Wish you a super day and a lovely week ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.